let me come in with my haul. Y'all know Bath and Body Works did the $12.95 candles, plus I had a 20% coupon. So I did grab some of the new fall candles. The Speak Easy collection is the collection that I was going for. I did not buy any of the Halloween stuff because I'm just not interested in that, to be real honest. Sorry if y'all hear Damon in the background, but y'all already know. If you're an MVP rider, you already know Damon gonna be in the background playing that game, so he's gonna always be super loud in the background. Sorry for that, but let's get into the haul. I only got like 6 candles and 2 free items using the coupon as well as one of my rewards because it was gonna expire, so I had to use that. So let's get into the haul. I'm not gonna be in. Okay, the first item I got is this, which is Vetiver and Vanilla. This is new. This is a new aroma scent. It's just straightforward, Vetiver and Vanilla. I actually haven't smelled this yet, but I do love Aromatherapy. Y'all do know that. I absolutely love it. So most of the time when it comes out, I will try it. So that was the first thing I got free with rewards. The next thing I decided to grab is Love Always Wins. Yes, I absolutely love this. It was free with the coupon, so why not get it? You know, the first candle I got is Midnight Cocktail. Yes, Midnight Cocktails. Yes, which is, the scent notes is on the front. Cedarwood, clove, and tobacco. Smelling it on cold is sort of light. That's what the bottom look like. Yes, it's kind of light to me. It's kind of light, but I love the packaging. Love, love, love. I was so excited for this collection. So yeah, I did grab that. The next one is a Whiskey Reserve. Oh my goodness. Y'all do know they do have this in the men's care collection. So yes, there is the scent notes, apple, whiskey, white oak. Yes, they do have this in men's care, and I absolutely love, love, love this scent. This is a very masculine scent. So if you don't like masculine scents, you might not gonna like this. It's pretty strong on cold. So yeah, this is another one I grabbed. Love the packaging. I love this warm, these warm tone colors is what I love. Then I bought a backup of salted amber and Vetiver because I love this scent. It's super, super nice. So yes, Vetiver, amber, and orange flower. Love this, but it does not throw. This works better in a smaller room. Not really an open concept, but I love the scent, and that's the reason why I went on and got a backup. But I really feel like I should have got something different, something that I don't have. But oh well, I just decided to go ahead and grab this one. The next one, yay! The next one is Prickly Pear Sangria. Yes, love the packaging of this. And it just has pear and infused fruit and white wine. So yes, that's what this is. Most definitely smell that pear in this one. So this is going to be nice. I heard this is very similar to the old candle that came out a couple of years ago. But I do have that one. Maybe I'll make another video of me showing that. I think it's pear Rizzling or something like that. I do have a couple of those candles. So I'll probably compare the two in another video. Spiced blackberry cider. Now me and my husband smelled this and we both got 2 different scents. He most definitely smelled the blackberry in this, and I smelled that cider in it. So yeah, this is nice as well. I think this is a new scent for the summer or for the fall. Blackberry, cider, cinnamon stick is the scent notes. Yes, love it, love it, love it. Yes, I most definitely, it is what it says. I do get the blackberry, but for me, that cider notes hit heavy for me. And the next one is smoked caramel mezcal. That's that one. To me, this candle smells like beer. That's what this candle smells like to me. So you get a smoky mezcal, caramel drizzle, and cinnamon sugar rim. So yes, this kind of smell like beer. Like if you go in a brewery, you know, like a bar that makes craft beer, then that's kind of sort of what this smells like to me. So yeah, I decided to get it. I don't really like it, but I'm gonna try it to see if I like it, because as we all do, smelling it on cold, it could be totally different when you burn it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just go ahead and burn it and see if I like it. If not, it'll just be a one and done. But I am super happy with this collection that they came out with. Really like this collection, and I'm most definitely happy that, you know, Bath and Body Works is coming out with different candles. Love it. So yes, that's a good close look of everything. Yes, you could barely see that one, but yeah. And then of course y'all see I got Love Always Wins, Vanaver, and Vanilla. Actually, let's smell this Vanaver and Vanilla. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place. But let me smell this. Like it. It's sharp. Most definitely get like a fresh vanilla, creamy vanilla. So yeah, I think I like this. But again, I will have to try it more. Most definitely get that sharpness, and that's from that Vanaver. I think Vanaver is like in the citrus family, I believe. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, you most definitely get that with this. It's creamy from that vanilla. It's not bad. It's not bad. Most definitely going to give that a try. And if it's good, I probably will repurchase it, because y'all know I love aromatherapy. So leave down in the comments. Let me know, what did you get on this $12.95 sale? Did you have a coupon? In my area, we had buy one, get one free, which is a good deal as well. But the $12.95 was a little bit better, because you got, it was like a 50-cent or 30-cent difference. So yeah, those are all the things that I got. Shout out to the hubby for sponsoring this haul. So yes, y'all, leave in the comments, what did you buy on this sale? Leave that down in the comments. Shout out to all my MVP riders. Thank you for always supporting me, for always watching any and everything that your girl posts. I truly do appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up. Do all those things that I normally say do in the video. And so please thumbs up the video. Thumbs up the video so YouTube could recommend my videos a little bit more, because I haven't been posting. So please do that. And I'll see y'all in the next one. All right. Peace.